Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be changing the anti-roll bar linkage on this Toyota Yaris. It failed on MOT, so the linkage is just here. Okay, you can see the rubber is all deteriorated. So it's a 14mm nut on either side, one at the top and one at the bottom to undo. So just gonna crack on with it. Right, before we undo this anti-roll bar linkage, the nuts, we're gonna spray plenty of WD-40 on them, and the bottom one here. Okay, so we're gonna lock the pin with the 10mm spanner just here, and we're gonna try undoing the top nut before we try to do the bottom one. Okay, there we go friends, that's the top nut out of the way. Okay, so now we'll have to do the bottom one. Okay, so for bottom one we're gonna use impact gun, and I'm gonna lock the pin from here with this spanner. Right, just gonna undo the bottom nut. There we go. Right, so just gonna remove the bushes, one here. There we go, friend. We're gonna use a lever to there we go. So now it's gonna pull the pin out. Just like that. Okay, there we go friends. That's the old anti-roll bar linkage out of the way. Okay, so we're gonna keep the lever here as it is. Okay friends, this is our new linkage. Okay, so this is how it's gonna fit in. So the bigger washer is on the bottom, okay, and the smaller washer is on the top. Right friends, just gonna disassemble a bit. Okay, so this is how the linkage gets slided in here. So I'm gonna lift the there we go. So you're just gonna lift it up with the lever. There we go. That's that nicely in. So now the top bush slides in like this. Okay, right, just gonna do the bottom bush first. There we go, that's the bottom nut fully in. So now I'm just gonna screw it with 13mm spanner. Okay, there we go. I've secured the bottom bush. So now we're gonna do the top one. Right friends, so what we're gonna do now is with the lever we're gonna press the anti-roll bar down like this. Okay, so the washer goes in, then the nut goes in, like this. There we go. Okay, so the rest we're gonna drive the nut in with the 13mm spanner. There we go. There we go friends, that's the anti-roll bar linkage fitted on this Toyota Yaris in very little time. Thank you very much for watching the video.